Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and welcome back to yet another session of 12 Minutes to Clat. Today we're going to discuss about a recent controversy that has been created by the state of Rajasthan by tabling a bill which involved one of the social evils that we keep talking about in our country, which is child marriage. And what is the entire controversy and why did the bill that they tabled create so much controversy is something we're going to be discussing today. And why do I call child marriage as a social evil is because India is kind of a hub for child marriages in the entire world. If you rely on the data that was recently released by the UNICEF, India has more than 1.5 million child brides every single year. That is more than 15 lakh girls getting married before they turn 18 years of age. And you won't believe that one third of the child marriages in the entire world happens only in India. So India we can say is a hub for child marriage and when we talk about states like Rajasthan, Haryana, पहला नाम यही आता है हमारे दिमाग में when we talk about child marriages, right? So today we are going to discuss as to why did this bill create so much controversy, what was this bill all about. So the Rajasthan government recently tabled a bill called the Rajasthan Compulsory Registration of Marriages Amendment Bill 2021. Now this bill actually said that all the marriages that take place in the state of Rajasthan आर टू बी रजिस्टर्ड. ठीक है, तो जो मैरिजेस एडल्ट की मैरिजेस होंगी दे विल ऑब्वियसली बी रजिस्टर्ड बाय दोज एडल्ट ब्राइड और द ग्रुप. वेयरएज अगर चाइल्ड मैरिजेस भी होती हैं देन दोज आर ऑल्सो टू बी रजिस्टर्ड बाय द गार्जियन ऑफ द ब्राइड और द ग्रूम. ठीक है, तो इवन द चाइल्ड मैरिज वॉज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी कंपल्सरली रजिस्टर्ड. Now this created a lot of controversy because the opposition felt that the government of Rajasthan is trying to promote child marriages in the state and therefore they did a walkout. ठीक है, तो ये जब बिल टेबल हुआ था तो जो राजस्थान में जो ऑपोजिशन है दे डिड अ वॉकआउट ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एंड दे सेड दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस evil bill that has been tabled by the government of Rajasthan. So let's first understand as to what is the law on child marriages in India because it becomes very important for us to understand ताकि हमें ये controversy भी ठीक से समझ में आए. So in 2006, India brought forth an act called the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. Now this act said that anybody who is below the age of 18 years and is a female is a child under the act, whereas a guy or a male has to be below the age of 21 years to be called a child. Okay, so this is the marriageable age in India. For female it is 18, whereas for male it is 21 years of age. Now you will be amazed to know, and it is a very interesting point to note, that child marriages in India are not void. ठीक है, वो invalid नहीं होती हैं, they are voidable. Voidable का ये मतलब होता है that they can be later cancelled by one of the parties to the child marriage. Now let me give you a very simple example. For example, say there is a girl who is 15 years of age and there is a guy who is say 17 years of age. ठीक है, they get married. Now the girl can decide when she turns 18 to annul that marriage or to cancel that marriage. ठीक है, so ये voidable होता है at the option of the girl or the boy. ठीक है, when they turn major, basically जब वो marriageable age के हो जाते हैं तब they have the option to cancel this marriage which happened as a child marriage, right? So it is not invalid per se, but it is voidable. अब इसका reason क्या है? Why has it made voidable? Because it's such a big evil that we talk about in the society कि child marriage को ban करना चाहिए and all of that. So let's understand the practical scenario here, right? Now for example, there is a girl again who is 15 years of age and there's a guy who is 17 years of age, right? Now what happens is अगर आप पहले दिन से बोल दोगे that their marriage is invalid, ठीक है, and the it's generally when it happens in the rural areas they obviously do not know about the law. So there could be a possibility that the girl child after some years, maybe say after 2 or 3 years, may have a child also, may start living with the guy's family, and the guy may later decide कि भाई this marriage was anyway invalid and he marries somebody else and brings that girl to his house as well. This is a very practical scenario that happens at a lot of places, right? तो उसमें क्या होगा, the first girl who got married, she will have no right at all because उसकी marriage day 1 से ही invalid थी. इसीलिए जो गवर्नमेंट ने लॉ लाया था in 2006, they did not make this marriage as invalid. They in fact made it voidable कि groom या फिर bride जब वो marriageable age के हो जाएंगे तो वो उसको void बता सकते हैं, वो उसको invalid बता सकते हैं just by filing an application in a court of law. Now another very important thing to note is that child marriage जो law आया था in 2006, it prescribes certain punishments. So for example, if a male adult who is of a marriageable age, who is 21 plus, if that person marries a woman who is less than 18 years of age, that person can be imprisonment for a period of up to 2 years और उन पर 1 लाख रुपए का फाइन भी लग सकता है. In fact, even on the girl child's father, okay, who is marrying his daughter, and even on the priest who is getting the marriage done, उन पर भी फाइन लग सकता है. And in fact, they can also be taken to prison for a period of up to 2 years. Right? So these are certain punishments that are given in the 2006 Act. Now, after the Act came, in the same year in 2006, there was a very pertinent decision of the Supreme Court called Seema versus Ashwani Kumar. सीमा वर्सेस अश्वनी कुमार ने क्या किया? सीमा वर्सेस अश्वनी कुमार में सुप्रीम कोर्ट को रियलाइज हुआ दैट जब शादी के कुछ भी क्लेम्स आते हैं ना, जब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है शादियों में, द मैरिजेस आर जनरली नॉट रजिस्टर्ड. ठीक है, तो जब रजिस्टर नहीं होती ना, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द कोर्ट टू डिटरमिन कि शादी सच में हुई थी या नहीं हुई थी, राइट, और कब हुई थी. इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज इट इज ऑब्वियसली इम्पॉसिबल फॉर द कोर्ट टू फाइंड आउट कि शादी एक्चुअली हुई थी या नहीं हुई थी. सो कोर्ट ने क्या किया इन 2006? दे सेड कि आज के बाद से whichever marriage happens in the territory of India, be it a child marriage, it has to be registered. ठीक है, उसको आपको रजिस्टर करना ही पड़ेगा. तो जो राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट ने जो बिल लाई है ना, राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट ने क्लियरली बताया दैट दिस बिल हैज बीन ब्रॉट इन परसुएंस ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन इन 2006 इन सीमा वर्सेस अश्वनी कुमार. और ऐसा क्यों बोला गया? रजिस्ट्रेशन करना क्यों कंपल्सरीली बोला गया? मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था when I tried to explain you guys that there could be a possibility wherein a 15-year-old girl and a 17-year-old guy gets married. After they get married, guy से ऐसे मानते हैं कि अगले 4 साल में he goes to some other city, he starts studying there and he falls in love with some other girl. ठीक है. Now what happens? He marries that girl and brings that girl to his house. He already is married. Right? Generally, when we talk about Hindu marriage and all, you do not allow second marriage during the existence of your first wife. नाउ अगर वो मैरिज करके ले आता है घर पे एंड द फर्स्ट मैरिज सेज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड, नाउ द फर्स्ट वाइफ गोज टू द कोर्ट एंड सेज कि भाई दिस इज रॉन्ग, ही हैज कमिटेड बाइगमी बिकॉज ही हैज मैरिड ट्वाइस ड्यूरिंग द सब्सिस्टेंस ऑफ हिज फर्स्ट वाइफ विच इज मी. कोर्ट बोलता है व्हाट इज द प्रूफ दैट यू गॉट मैरिड टू दिस गाय? नाउ दिस लेडी हैज नो प्रूफ बिकॉज द मैरिज वॉज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड. That is why the court made it compulsory कि even if it's a child marriage, it is very important, it is compulsory for you guys to get it registered, right? However, the bill that was tabled by the Rajasthan government was clearly in pursuance of this particular law or the judgment that was passed by the Supreme Court in 2006, because it becomes very important practically to register all the marriages, even if it's a child marriage, ताकि बाद में जाकर problems ना आए. But since it met with such widespread criticism, the Rajasthan government actually took the bill back and it was not actually proceeded with further. So I would like to know your views on the child marriages problem in India, as well as what do you think of the law on child marriage in India. So mention whatever you feel in the comment box about child marriages and about this particular bill that was tabled by the state of Rajasthan. I'll be very happy to take your comments from there. Even if you feel that it was right or wrong, just try and mention it. And I will invite other students to try and reply to those comments and see as to what do you think about this particular bill. So that's it about the session from my side. I think a lot of you would know that I have been teaching on Unacademy as well these days. I've been taking a lot of lectures on current affairs, on current legal affairs like these, as well as on very important legal reasoning sessions, right? So you can follow my lectures, you can follow me on my Telegram channels as well, which is 12 Minutes to Clat and Malpani Unacademy. You will find the link to these Telegram channels in the description box. Other than that, you can attend or you can subscribe to our plus classes as well, where we discuss a lot of important things and a lot of important stuff. You can also use my code Malpani or Keshav Live to get 10% off on all the courses on Unacademy. That's it about the session from my side. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thank you so much.